For a fun way to reimagine a French-style three-king cake, let's turn it into cake pops. Start by adding 120 grams of softened butter to a bowl and mix it together with 150 grams of powdered sugar. Once roughly mixed, add 150 grams of almond powder and give it another mix. Once your mixture is homogeneous, add an egg and mix. Once your first egg is well incorporated, add your second. Once everything is well mixed, you should have a smooth, homogeneous filling. Pour the mixture into a piping bag and place it in the fridge to chill for at least 45 minutes. While your filling chills, it's time to prepare the puff pastry. Use a round cookie cutter for the best results. Once your filling has chilled, use the piping bag to place it on half of your puff pastry circle. Gently dab some water on the exterior of the circles before gently pressing the tips of the skewers into the filling. Place the other half of your circles over the first and press the edges together using a fork for the final touch. Finish off your cake pops with an egg wash before placing them in the oven at 350 degrees for 20 minutes. The result is a delicately delicious puff pastry cake pop.